Heavy touring bikes look impressive, right up until you have to move them around in a tight parking lot or push them back into the garage after a long ride. For riders over 60, it's not about wrestling with weight. It's about comfort, control, and actually enjoying the ride without feeling like you just finished a workout session. The good news? You don't need a massive 800-pound machine to tour in comfort. These 5 lightweight Japanese touring bikes deliver exactly what matters most: smooth power, easy handling, and real-world comfort without the strain. Less weight, less stress, more miles. Let's count them down, because number 1 might just change how you think about touring altogether. Number 5, Honda CTX 700. At first glance, the CTX 700 doesn't look like your typical touring bike, and that's exactly the point. Honda designed it to be low, relaxed, and unintimidating. For senior riders, that low seat height is more than a speck on paper. It's confidence at every stop. You're not climbing onto a tall machine or doing a balancing act at traffic lights. You're settling in comfortably, almost like sitting in your favorite chair. And yes, your knees will absolutely notice the difference, probably before you even leave the driveway. Underneath, the 670 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine is tuned for smooth, usable power right where you need it. This isn't a bike that demands attention or aggressive riding. It rewards calm inputs and steady cruising. The torque comes in low, so takeoffs are easy, and the throttle feels predictable instead of twitchy. It's the kind of engine that doesn't surprise you, and at this stage, that's a very good thing. Because let's face it, nobody wakes up thinking, "Today I'd love a stressful ride." Now here's where things get even better: the optional dual-clutch transmission, DCT. No clutch lever, no gear shifting, just twist and go. For riders dealing with arthritis, hand fatigue, or just wanting an easier ride, this feature can completely change the experience. It's like the bike quietly says, "Don't worry, I've got this." And after a long ride, when your friends are flexing sore hands, you'll just be smiling like you found a shortcut they didn't know about. Add in the relaxed riding position, practical wind protection, and a chassis that feels lighter than it looks, and the CTX 700 becomes a surprisingly capable companion for longer rides. It's not flashy, and it doesn't try to be, but that's part of its charm. It's dependable, easygoing, and built for real-world comfort. Think of it less like a high-performance machine and more like a trusted travel partner, one that never complains, never rushes you, and always makes the journey feel just right. And if you think this one is easy to handle, wait until you see number 4. Number 4, Yamaha Tracer 7. The Yamaha Tracer 7 is what happens when you mix lightweight agility with real touring capability, and then remove the intimidation factor. At around 196 kilograms, wet, it's significantly easier to manage than full-size touring machines, especially for riders who don't want to wrestle with weight every time they leave the garage. For senior riders who still enjoy the ride but prefer control over brute force, this bike lands right in that sweet spot between fun and practicality. Powered by Yamaha's proven 689 cubic centimeters CP2 parallel twin engine, it delivers strong mid-range torque with a smooth, predictable feel. This is the same engine platform used in the Yamaha MT-07, so it's already known for being reliable and rider-friendly. The power is there when you need it, but it never feels overwhelming or twitchy. It's the kind of engine that makes highway merging effortless and backroad cruising enjoyable without giving you the impression that it's trying to turn every ride into a race. Comfort is a big win here, and that's where the Tracer 7 really earns its place on this list. The upright riding position reduces strain on your back, wrists, and shoulders, something your body will quietly thank you for after an hour or two in the saddle. The adjustable windscreen helps manage wind fatigue, and the seat height is manageable enough for most riders to feel confident at stops. Plus, with its lighter weight and balanced chassis, low-speed maneuvers, like parking or U-turns, feel controlled instead of stressful. No more, "Okay, let me think this through before I move this thing" moments. And let's be honest, this is one of those bikes that reminds you riding can still be fun without being exhausting. It's light, balanced, and just playful enough to keep a smile on your face. It won't demand gym-level strength, and it won't punish you for a relaxed riding style. In fact, it almost feels like it's saying, "Take it easy, we've got this." But if you're thinking, "I'd like something even softer on the body," don't worry, number 3 takes comfort to a whole new level. At number 3, Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX. Now, the Kawasaki Ninja 1000 SX might sound sporty, and it is, but it's also one of the most comfortable lightweight touring options out there. It blends performance with practicality in a way that feels refined rather than aggressive. Think of it as a sport bike that grew up, settled down, and finally admitted that comfort is just as important as speed, maybe even more after 60. The 1,043 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine is incredibly smooth, delivering power in a controlled and predictable way. You're getting strong mid-range torque, which means you don't have to rev it like you're back in your 20s just to enjoy it. No sudden surprises, just steady acceleration that feels confident and composed. It's more than capable for long-distance touring, but it doesn't demand constant attention or effort from the rider. In other words, it works with you, not against your knees, wrists, or patience. What really stands out is how well balanced the bike feels. At around 235 kilograms, wet, it's noticeably lighter than those big, heavyweight touring machines that can feel like wrestling a refrigerator in a parking lot. Here, low-speed maneuvering is predictable, and the upright ergonomics take pressure off your back and shoulders. The seat is supportive for longer rides, and the wind protection from the fairing and adjustable windshield does a solid job, so you're not fighting the wind like it owes you money. And then there's the tech package, which really makes life easier. You've got cruise control for those long highway stretches. Your right wrist will thank you. Traction control for added confidence, multiple riding modes, and even a quick shifter on newer models. So smoother gear changes without extra effort. Add in integrated luggage options, and you've got a bike that's ready for real touring without feeling oversized or intimidating. It proves you don't need a massive machine to enjoy serious travel. And speaking of versatility, number 2 is ready for just about anything. Number 2, Yamaha Tracer 9. GT is one of the best all-around touring bikes for riders who want comfort without the weight. It's modern, refined, and packed with features, but still light enough to handle with confidence. At around 220 kilograms, wet, it strikes that sweet spot where you get touring capability without feeling like you're wrestling a heavyweight at every parking stop. And let's be honest, at this stage, nobody's trying to prove anything by muscling a bike around a gas station. Its 890 cubic centimeter triple engine delivers smooth, usable power with a bit of personality. Yamaha's CP3 engine is well known for its torque-rich delivery, meaning you don't have to rev it high to get moving. It just pulls cleanly and predictably. It's responsive, but not aggressive, perfect for riders who want performance without pressure. Whether you're cruising highways or exploring back roads, it adapts effortlessly. And the quick shifter? A small luxury that quickly becomes something you never want to live without again. Comfort is where this bike really shines. Electronic suspension continuously adjusts to the road, smoothing out bumps before your back even notices them. Cruise control reduces fatigue on long stretches, and the upright ergonomics keep your shoulders, wrists, and lower back in a relaxed, natural position. The seat height is manageable, and the riding triangle feels neutral, not cramped, not stretched. Heated grips? Of course, because cold hands are not part of the plan anymore. Unless you enjoy that "I can't feel my fingers" experience, which most riders wisely retired years ago. Technology is another strong point. The dual TFT displays are bright and easy to read, even in direct sunlight, and the bike comes equipped with rider aids like traction control, cornering ABS, and multiple ride modes. These systems don't get in your way. They quietly support you, adding confidence when conditions aren't perfect. It's like having a very polite co-pilot who never argues and always has your back. And despite all that technology, it remains surprisingly manageable. The chassis is well balanced. The weight is carried low, and low-speed handling feels predictable, something that matters more than outright horsepower for most experienced riders. It doesn't feel bulky or overwhelming. It feels refined and easy to ride. It's the kind of bike that works with you, not against you. But if you want the ultimate in lightweight touring comfort, number 1 delivers it perfectly. Number 1. Honda NT 1100D takes the top spot because it does something incredibly important. It makes touring feel easy again. This is a bike designed with comfort, simplicity, and real-world usability in mind. No intimidation, no unnecessary complexity, just smooth, enjoyable riding. Powered by a 1,084 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine, it delivers relaxed, predictable performance that's perfect for long-distance travel. It's not trying to impress, it's trying to keep you comfortable, and it succeeds. The power delivery is smooth, the ride is stable, and everything feels effortless. And yes, it comes with Honda's DCT option. No clutch, no shifting, just ride. For many senior riders, this feature alone can completely change the riding experience. Less fatigue, less strain, and more focus on the road ahead. It's not just convenient, it's freeing. The upright ergonomics, excellent wind protection, cruise control, and comfortable seat all come together to create a true touring machine without the weight of traditional giants. It's light, balanced, and incredibly easy to manage. And honestly, that's what matters most now. Lightweight touring bikes may not have the presence of those giant machines, but they offer something far more valuable: confidence, comfort, and the freedom to ride without effort. And for riders over 60, that's exactly what keeps the passion alive. If one of these bikes surprised you, hit subscribe. And tell me in the comments, would you ditch the weight for a more comfortable ride? If you found your next motorcycle, or just learned something new, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and share your pick for the perfect lightweight tourer. Ride safe, ride smart, and we'll see you in the next one.